subscribers, he's gonna get a silver play button. So that's gonna be. He already got 1,000 subscribers, and it will be in just a year.
That is awesome, Daniel.
How long have you had your YouTube channel?
It's probably been maybe a year and a half. Oh, there he is. There he is. Hi, baby squirrel. And then there's a red bird behind it.
The baby squirrel.
It went down the tree. I'm hoping that it jumps over on the garage. Grandma's making a video right now while I'm talking to you.
Right now?
Uh-huh.
Like this second?
Right this second. We can still see the red bird back there. But baby squirrel's hiding. Because it knows that the dogs are out here. It's a beautiful red bird. It was just stretching out its wing. Oh, there's a squirrel back there running around in the tree.
Are you still making that video?
Yeah, I'm still making a video. Oh, there's both the three red birds. Yeah, there's some that's called bird sounds or something. And then another red bird went back over here. And then there's a squirrel. Do you see the squirrel? No, I'm making a video, baby.
As soon as you make it, I'm gonna view it.
Okay. Who sees the squirrel and all the red, beautiful red birds? It's back here. There's two of them. There's two squirrels. And then there's a squirrel up on the roof of that garage. Very nice. There was some bluebirds out here. And then... Okay, I'll tell you, baby. I'll throw him out some more peanuts. Because I only threw out about 10. Oh, it's beautiful out here. There's a dove up there. Some people call them pigeons.
I saw that guy that said amen. I saw you say amen before that comment. It says, peaceful, calming nature. It's amazing how it only takes a few moments in nature to re-ground ourselves.
Yes. Grounding ourselves is very important, Daniel.
And then you said amen for that.
Yes, amen for that.
No longer done making a video.
Okay, baby. I'm filming all the little birds that's coming up. I guess they're going to want some more feed. I still see a bunch down there, though. But now that we're out here, they know that there's going to be more. Okay, wait a second, baby doll, okay? Because Grandma's going to stop the video now. And I need my other hand, okay? Hold on one second, honey.